Okay, as far as mods go, some things we're thinking about doing is we're gonna do like a insulated vent fan cover. Some of the finishings on this need some work, so sealing off that. Making a Velcro or some kind of curtain rod to block this off. Possibly do like a sliding gate that'll slide out and block this off, just to keep the kids from going up there, and while we're driving, to keep the dog back here, so that he's not at your feet and stuff while you're driving. Mods on the back part, we want to put something over this, like a tray or something, maybe something that will fold up and come back down over that. We did put this adhesive paper towel holder. I debated on whether or not putting it there, just because if you're like boiling water or something, it might kind of get wet or moist from being over that stove eye. I have a flannel material that I'm going to be putting over these things over the windows, that gray part. So that'll be something else. I'm going to put some seat covers on the seats. Right now I have like a wool blanket under their car seats. Again, that'll have that flannel material on it. The window, the curtains that you see on top of the window, I forget what those are called, but we're gonna take those off, insulate them with the original ones that come with the accessory package, and have those insulated so they'll do a little bit more. We put a tire rack on and noticed the back doors weren't insulated, so there's no insulation in there, so that's got to be done. There's another one of the window covers that we'll take off. The bathroom doesn't get much use yet. Right now it has my groceries in it because we just went to the grocery, but we're going to change out the shower head. There's one that Riker Mom had on her channel that I like, so we'll probably end up using that. The bathroom needs to be resealed. Got to reseal these holes and cover those up, and put some different kind of organization stuff in here that will obviously have to be waterproof. And I'm apprehensive about screwing through those walls just because of whatever pipes back there. So whatever we use will probably require adhesive. So